Number 7. The function f is defined by f of x is equal to 4x. Okay. For what value of x does f of x is equal to 8? For what value of x does fx is equal to 8? So if I write f of x is equal to 4x, so here what is given? Fx. So I can replace fx with 8 because f of x is equal to 8 and this 4x is as it is. Now we have to find the value of x, right? This x. So what will we do? We will divide by 4 on both sides. 4 2s are 8. This 4 will be cancelled and here 4 2s are 8. So x is equal to 2. So for what value of x? If x is 2, then f of x is equal to 8. Okay. Now let's move to number 8. Of 3 lakh or 300,000 paper clips, 2,34,000 are size large. What percentage of the paper clips are size large? When it is asked about percentage, so that means what is the number when total is 100, right? So we can do this question by two different ways. One is simply by ratio methods, equivalent ratio. So if out of 3 lakh or 300,000, 234,000 or 2,34,000 are good, right? Size large. So out of 100, how much is large? These are equivalent ratios, right? Okay, so 3 zeros are cancelled with 3 zeros, and if we divide by 3, so 3 hundreds and 3 sevens are and 3 eights are, so 74 by 78 by 100. Now I will multiply by 100 on both sides. So 100 times x over 100 is equal to 78 times 100 over 100. So I have multiplied by 100 on both sides. So x is equal to 78. X is equal to 78. So here it is x%. That means if 234,000 are large size, when the total is 300,000, then 78 are large size out of 100. That means 78%. So this is with the help of equivalent ratios. Now there is one more way we can deal with the percentages questions. 234,000 over 3 lakh or 300,000, multiply it with 100 and divide it by 100. Now percentage, if you want to write percentage as fraction, that is 1 over 100, right? So this 1 over 100, this denominator 100 will be used as percentages. So that will be 234,000 over 300,000 into 100, and this 1 upon 100 is used as percentage, right? So let's solve. 2 zeros cancelled with 2 zeros. These 2 zeros cancelled with these 2 zeros. And let's do this. Okay, 1 0 by mistake. Yeah. So 3 are cancelled with 3 zeros and these 2 are cancelled with 2. So we are left with 78%. So if you have written the first way of writing of equivalent ratios and you are writing this one too, we are on the same page, right? But we are just using two different ways to calculate percentage. So I hope both of the methods are clear to you. You can choose according to which type you are comfortable with. So that means D is the right option.